So there's a scenario playing out in the overall crypto market you need to be aware of that's going to impact Shiba Inu. And I think that it's going to impact Shiba Inu and pull the price down to about 1.5 or maybe even a little bit below that. Okay, so not trying to be the bearer of bad news here or spread FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is me simply coming to you with a responsibility to you to make you aware of something that I see that possibly could happen. And by the way, this is not just my opinion. I have been looking at and doing a bunch of research and looking at some technical analysis and looking at some content reports, information that are very trustworthy, very credible, that I want to bring to bear in this dialogue. Okay, so it is entirely possible that within the next 2 to 3, 4 weeks that Shiba Inu could go to 1.5 range. Okay, and so in that scenario, here is why. It is a broader macroeconomic condition. You have the entire crypto market in a slow free fall scenario playing out here. You have Bitcoin and Ethereum going down, and so why or how is Shiba Inu going to go to 1500? Okay, it is because of what is going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's going to happen with the overall crypto market? So the overall crypto market is going to continue to be impacted by what I'm calling effectively a perfect storm. That perfect storm is all derived in one way or the other from COVID years and years ago, okay? That pervasive continued effect. And here's what it is. We have continued recession discussion fallout from that, and it is looking more and more like a recession is going to possibly happen. And recession is the main fear that is driving everybody in this scenario. Everybody is afraid of this this recession that's going to impact the overall markets, stock market, crypto, and around that. And it's looking more and more like that is going to happen. Yes, we have the Federal Reserve doing their thing, but they may have to get even more aggressive because frankly, I don't think enough was done earlier, right? So they may have to get even more aggressive and have even more rate hikes, higher, bigger, instead of 50 basis points, maybe 75 basis points. Okay. So with all that said, Bitcoin is most likely going to go to below 30,000. It's going to go in maybe into the $25,000, $28,000 range. Ethereum is going to go below 2,000, could go into $1,300 to $1,500 range. That what I just said is the reason that Shiba Inu will fall quite possibly to 1,500 or maybe even a little bit below. Again, I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news here, guys. I'm trying to be the bearer of realistic news and telling you what is going on. And so what can you do to protect yourself? Number one, if you sell and you're not in profit and you take a loss, that loss you have taken. You have lost money, okay? If you do not need the money that you have in Shiba Inu, you don't need the money to pay the rent, to pay the mortgage, to put groceries on the table, or send that kid to college, or whatever it may be, then don't sell and take a loss. Don't let your fear and don't let your emotions take over. This is when, ironically, a lot of people are buying in. The smart money is buying in and buying additional levels at Shiba Inu at 17, 15, 18, whatever that number is. They're buying Bitcoin below 30,000. They're buying Bitcoin when it goes to 25,000. The smart money comes in and buys when we are depressed, when we are in these bearish economy scenarios. Okay, that's what that happens. Okay, so again, I'm making you aware. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to give you again the lay of the land so that you know what's going to happen, so that you can protect yourself. Okay. That's what I've got for you. That's all the technical analysis that I'm seeing out there that's very, very pervasive. And again, I'm just trying to help you guys navigate these waters. Okay, that's what I care about. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, become part of the community, because I care about one thing. It's helping you navigate crypto and just become a little bit smarter and make more money, or set yourself up to protect yourself in the grand scheme of things. Okay, so take care. I'll see you later. God bless. See ya.